Hello everybody, I'm Patrick. I'm from Cambodia. Today I want to show you how to turn off Windows Update on Windows 10 for blind. Yesterday my friend asked me how to turn off Windows Update. Today I want to show for him how to turn off Windows Update on Windows 10. Here we go. Step 1, we go to Start menu.
Start window
And search Service.
S E set V services app press right serve C serve E services app press right as with
Service spell SEVICE. Press enter here.
Services preview level 0 services.
This is dialog box for service. We press tab.
List ActiveX installer.
This is a lot of item. We find Windows Update. I press WI.
WIN Windows Audio description manages audio for Windows-based program.
And press up. Press down arrow. Find Windows Update.
Windows Connect. Windows Defender. Windows Defender. Windows Defender Fight. Windows Encrypt. Windows Error Report. Windows Event Lock. Windows Font Cache. Windows Image. Windows Insider Service. Windows Manage. Windows Media Player. Windows Perception. Windows Presentation. Windows Push Notification. Windows Remote. Windows Security. Windows Time. Windows Update description enables the.
This is Windows Update. Press Application key.
Context menu.
Find your property by up down arrow.
Start on stop pause on resume restart all task refresh properties are.
This is property. Press enter.
Windows Update properties local computer dialog general.
This is dialog box for property Windows Update. Find to type.
Startup type combo
Startup type. Startup type. This is startup type. Change to disable. Press down arrow.
Disabled.
Yes. And tap find to apply.
Stop button alt OK but cancel but apply button alt plus a.
This is apply. Press enter.
Unavailable general property page service name.
And tap again find to OK.
Startup stop OK button. Services list.
We successful for turn off Windows Update and restart your computer. Please turn off Windows Update successfully. Thank you for your watching. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. This video tell to my friend. Thank you everyone for your watching. See you later. Goodbye.